Nigga won't play, it's gon' go down. Speak on one of mine, guarantee we gon' blow round. Bro, gotta switch to the blick, cause he know how. You can feel it in the air, you ain't gotta say no.
YouTube, we are back and we're doing something great today. Nah, check it out though. I just dropped my daughter off at the babysitter. It's literally 7 in the morning, 7:37 in the morning. It's super early in the morning. I've been up since like 6 o'clock because we're doing something great, right? I just dropped my daughter off to the babysitter because we're about to drive 12 hours today. A total of like 12, 13 hours today. The Hellcat is in Charlotte. I made y'all a video of me dropping the Hellcat to Charlotte, but I was like, bro, that's our first fucking video back. They don't want to see no bullshit like that. They want to see some fire shit. So I didn't drop that video. I'll probably drop it, you know, later on down the line, out of sequence shit. But I want to give y'all the fire content first. You feel me? I want to give y'all the fire content first because it's gonna be a while since we dropped the video. So why not drop a video and show y'all the good stuff? You know, I didn't modded the fuck out my Hellcat. Y'all haven't seen that. I didn't wrapped it now. So today we going to pick it up. So y'all finna go all the way with me to Charlotte to pick it up. We are taking the Tesla to Charlotte. You know how that shit go. You know, big Tesla, doing big things. It's very reliable. Get me where I need to go. It's gonna be about 2 fill-ups to get to Charlotte. So we're gonna charge it twice to get there because it's only a 5-hour drive. So we're going straight there. Nothing too crazy. Probably really only 1 fill-up to get us all the way there. If I'm being honest with you. I think last time we didn't fill up at all. So 1 fill-up to Charlotte, 2 fill-ups to get back to fucking Columbus, Georgia. But we're picking up the wrap. I want y'all to see this wrap. Yo, this is motivation for the people out there. You know, like work a regular job. You know what I'm saying? Regular dude, regular person. You know, and my goal was to get a Hellcat. That's all I dreamt of. I wanted a fucking Hellcat as a child. You feel me? Like, and now we got a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. Good guy, you know, good, crazy big things. And I want y'all to be a part of this journey because now it's like we just gonna keep going up. We gonna keep elevating. You feel me? Like a lot of people out there in this world gonna hate on you. They ain't gonna believe in the dream until a lot of other motherfuckers do. So subscribe, like, comment, be part of the game. Big SRT, you know how we going, man. SRT all the way. I know it's probably a million other SRT pages. I don't give a fuck. Congratulations to all of them. Keep growing, keep doing y'all thing. But we about to go big on this channel. We about to go up on this channel. Just wait. I'm finna hit y'all when I get back to the crib and get a little bit more dressed and get ready to go pick up the Hellcat. All right, y'all, we in Carolina. Threw on my Metro jacket because nigga was out here cold. A little chilly out here today, but I think we in South Carolina. We got 2 more hours till we get to the car. Y'all already know what's up, man. This shit's gonna be epic. Hope y'all ready, man, because this shit gonna be stupid. Look at dude, bum ass. You fine. Look. All right, y'all. We finna go get something to eat. We did stop at Cracker Barrel, but they had us fucked up with the wait time. So we finna go somewhere else to get something to eat real quick. All right, y'all. Y'all see I got the chains on, so that must mean something. We close now to where they got the Hellcat wrapped at. We about 3 minutes out. Kind of excited. I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready to see the product in person. I seen the product on the render on the computer and everything, but I told them don't send me no pictures. I want it to be like raw, authentic reaction. You know what I'm saying? So we pulling up now. Finna see how it look. As soon as we get there, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. So hey, be ready to be amazed. We're going up all 2025. It's 2026, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Going up all 2026. You know how we going. So get ready for this shit, man. Get to y'all. All right, so check it out. We just pulled up to the wrap compound out here in Charlotte. And they got a crazy wrap Maybach out this bitch. Super fire. But we just pulled up. We waiting on Jay. We about to do the reveal and everything. He told me to come back at, you know, stay outside. So I'm waiting on him. And we gonna reveal the car. I know y'all ready to see the car. We got the Tesla right here. The Tesla got down tire tray. It's terrible. Hold on, let me see. On the inside of that motherfucking tire, the tire is damn near finna explode. So we gotta go. After this, we're gonna stop, get the goddamn Tesla tire and all of that. Then we're gonna be headed back to Columbus. But I'm ready for y'all to see this reveal. This reveal is gonna be crazy. Y'all already know how we do, man. We do nothing but crazy shit, man. You know how we do. We lit up, you know?
You're surprised, like how her reaction is. That's how yours is gonna be.
Okay, too easy. I got my boy Jay with me, man. The creator of the rap. You already know.
Oh man, Jay's car designs, man.
Follow
Come
him on
with something
Instagram.
crazy.
Oh, we gotta go through here.
Yeah, we're gonna come straight.
Backwards.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna come straight through here. All right. Alright, now you've been waiting what? A week now?
A week now.
You dropped it off?
I dropped it off dirty too.
Let's keep it walk sideways. Walk sideways.
Oh, because I can see it a little bit. You know I'm cheesy as hell.
I'm gonna get you.
You see it? Tight quarters.
Alright.
Hold on.
I'm about to pull you.
Hold on. Pause.
Look,
Let me
straight in front of you.
Straight in line.
Literally, don't nothing, okay? So boom. No, 6 hours.
6 hours.
Okay. You let this for me for a whole week.
Whole week.
Nah. Now I want you to take your phone, like take a flashlight.
Oh my god. Oh, this is insanity.
Everything. Tar up top. Whole front.
Yeah, I love this. Hey, y'all know how we doing it, man. SRT Jock, the biggest. This is way crazier than I thought, to be honest. I don't know why I was thinking of a mat in my mind, but that gloss looks so much better.
So it's shiny, extra shiny.
This is insane.
Whole year. You have to want this stuff. On the back. Your lights and everything too, bro. You change these to anything, it's gonna flow with your wrap automatically. We tried multiple different modes and everything, make sure which look nice and everything.
Oh yeah, this is crazy.
This thing.
By far, the hardest charger in Columbia. Atlanta, y'all be careful because I might got charged with it,
Oh, man. You after the egg?
I might got charged with it, to be honest.
Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie. That star though, at nighttime,
That shit is
anybody that drives past your car, bro, it don't matter if it's headlights, it could be any type of lights on any roadway. It's gonna reflect off this car.
Bro, this shit is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Y'all big one with this.
Now you ain't expect this from pro. So like, I don't know deep like details and stuff. If you look like actually deep into the wrap, like the actual material. That's not no shit that's like carbon fiber down here.
That shit is insane.
On a scale of like 1 to 10.
Oh, this 10.
Oh, easy. Off the
This
rip?
11. Yeah, this 11.
Oh man, yeah, shit.
It's crazier than I pictured it. That's the crazy part.
But look, it's exactly like how you saw the mock-up.
Yeah.
It exactly how we saw the mock-up. Made it exactly clearly like on 3D too.
This is insanity.
All right, let me turn on the lights.
Yeah, let you see everything on the light side. You're gonna love this, bro.
I'm gonna get one. They're not gonna see it. They're just gonna see it right.
So was that too much?
Nah, actually, that's a crazy reveal picture. I ain't gonna lie. That's definitely, yeah. Nah, definitely. But
That's so tough.
me and him tag teaming. Took us pretty much.
What you think?
I like it. I've done a lot of printing raps, so this one's crazy.
This one, bro.
This the one.
When we were putting this on and everything, bro, I'm telling you this shit right now. We started like everything started to connect and everything. Like once we got to like that side and everything, we started connecting to like the front and everything. Bro, that it flew together so well. And like once we put the decals and everything, like base wrap, I got a picture of it without like the wrap on it and everything, bro. It looks just as hard, if not harder.
Bro, this shit is crazy.
And you can take those decals off. The only issue is you have to have them professional.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm leaving. It goes with the rock. It looks good. I can't wait to see that reflective at night. Oh my god. I brought like my little setup for my Tesla, so I'm like,
Oh man.
I'm gonna catch it doing like a roller and everything.
Yeah, see.
It's crazy. Yeah, I just ordered my new undergrowth set.
Oh, you gonna do something?
Come here, my whole undergrowth came off, so I just ordered a new one.
I think, low key, I think the only thing you need left on this car, what would you say?
Emblems.
Yeah, I think you need custom Hellcat.
Okay.
Match
What we
the
do with the
car.
old ones?
We have the old ones.
They're in your passengers.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're in a
So
Ziploc.
I would definitely do custom. He did black and white splatter, so like you can just any type. You really just color code it with whatever.
Oh, I kind of like it these bags.
I like it, bro. I thought so too. I was like, it's different. I low-key said it was a sleeper too.
Yeah,
I was like, people could think like, okay, like from the front, it's just a Scat with a fucking, Redeye hood.
So you got a steep?
Yeah, I got it. And then just pull up, and then next thing you know, you hear a Supercharger. Like, what the fuck, Like,
How much battery is that?
oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that motherfucker died fast.
Yeah, so we figured that out. That is your OBD.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what it is.
Yeah.
This is hard.
This is. I did not expect, like, when we printed everything and we really put this shit on, bro. Like,
It's crazy because it's my first rap ever.
it is.
The first rap, we went one-on-one custom. I ain't want to do nothing that nobody else had, I seen Jay on Instagram. I was like, let me get him on, see what he talking about. I gave him a color, I gave him a concept, and he came up with everything.
Well, I'm telling you, look, we made your vision literally come to life. From everything you sent me, from the exact details down to everything, created it all the way. Bro, I cannot wait to see
That
this.
SRT jock is major. Major.
Oh, you see? I had to add the details, bro. Like, I don't know if you see, like, now if you walk around, there's stars inside of your wrap, too, by the way.
Yeah, that's
like,
just
little, tiny, like,
Little stars.
kind of, like, carbon fiber looking stars and shit, yeah.
Yeah, that's what's so I like,
You don't have to battery.
you close on it for me? Like the details in it. Oh my lord.
Because my arm has to be up here because it's hidden.
This the one. You gotta learn how my little Palmer performance, the Palmer performance matched the rap. Super fire, super dope.
Hmm.
Cut.
Stand literally right there. Stand exactly where you're at right now. Literally, bro. This camera's on phone. Yeah. The best, bro.
I definitely gotta do
The best thing
take a picture.
They don't really want you to ball, man, that shit be hate. They don't really want you to win, see it in their face. I feel like I'm SRT jock when I'm switching lanes. Double O, that's where I reside. We pop out, bitch, we don't have. I know niggas ain't my cat. Heard that boy, he dropped the